Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to talk to you about the Cosori Iconic Air Fryer. It has a stainless steel structure with a metal interior. I really like the look of it because it is compact. You can leave it on the counter. It really has a nice clean look to it, and so you can see it's got a nice shine to it. It's a drawer-based system, so it's got a little button on it that opens the drawer. The drawer has got kind of a little on the bottom here, so you get airflow through the bottom of it. Everything, no matter where you put it in the drawer, cooks completely evenly, and it cooks a lot faster than the ones that actually have the open doors that you see, the glass doors that are on it. Oh, the other thing I should mention is I've had this thing for over a month. I use it all the time, and look at how clean this stays. The whole thing stays extremely clean, and you don't have to scrub it a lot and that sort of thing. You just got to rinse it out, and that sort of thing, and that's it. So it's really nice and compact. I also like that this is lightweight. You can move it around. It's some of the other drawer-based ones that are larger and that sort of thing with the doors that either come down or they open are extremely heavy. So to move those around and to leave those out on your countertop, they take up a lot of space. Don't like that. And I don't really want to leave it out. They also are very hard to clean because they have a bottom to them. You have to put aluminum foil in them. There's just kind of a bigger mess to it. This is nice and compact, nice and clean looking. You can leave it on the counter, and we do it all the time. And the nice thing is this cooks much faster than the ones with doors. Some of our previous air fryers got really hot to the touch. Like if somebody touched the sides of it, they would almost burn their hands. This does not. The sides all stay nice and cool. The only spot that gets really hot is this back vent. So you obviously don't want to touch that. You want to have it well vented and stuff like that. You don't want to put it underneath a cabinet that doesn't have a lot of clearance for it. So it has that. Then let's just look at the top. The top really is nice. It has air fry, roast, bake, dry, proof, reheat, and it's really easy to use. You turn it on, you have a temp, you have a timer, that's it. So it really is super quick, and it's not very loud either. So I'm going to turn it on for you. So you're going to hear it heat up. It's much quieter than a lot of the air fryers as well. I don't know if it's because it's in this kind of shell and it doesn't have the door on it and that sort of thing, and the drawer and so is there, but it's a much quieter. It's not disrupting your TV time or whatever you got going on. So that's it. This is the Cosori Iconic Air Fryer, and we just really love it. It's a great sleek design, and it works really well for our kitchen. And so that's really it, guys. This is currently my favorite air fryer. It's super easy to use. I'll put a link in the description below. It's brand new, and it really does everything you need it to do.